Welcome to the Laboratory of Drug Targets Histopathology at Lithuanian University of Health Sciences. The laboratory has a comfortable office space and spacious laboratory which have built-in high-tech laboratory equipment. Today we are going to present you magnetic 3D bioprinting method which is widely used for spheroid formation. Let's start off from opening and sterilizing laminar flow hood. Next, we need to prepare the cells for seeding with nanoparticles. To do that, remove the media from cells then wash cells with sterile PBS for a couple of times to completely remove the media. Next, use trypsin to lift up the cells in a CO2 incubator. After the cells were lifted, stop the trypsin by adding media containing serum. And after collecting the cells, pellet them using centrifugation. Then, use your mass cytometer to count the cells so that we know how many cells we use for a particular experiment. Next, plate the cell suspension in a 6-well dish for incubation with nanoparticles. The next day, add nanoparticles into the wells with cells and incubate for 8 hours, allowing the cells to take up nanoparticles. Here you can see the difference between cells with and without nanoparticles. Once again, use Ямос-cytometer to count the cells so that we know how many cells we use for a particular experiment. Then plate the cells with nanoparticles into ultra-low attachment 96 well plate. Right after the cells were seeded, place ultra-low attachment plate onto a special magnetic drive and incubate in such a way for 24-48 hours. Take off the plate with cells from the magnetic drive and start imaging spheroids using an inverted light microscope. Thank you for your attention. For collaborations, feel free to contact Professor Vilma Petrikaitė. Wish you good luck with your future experiments.